But there's two different styles here. There's character styles, which saves the font type, the font size, maybe the color of the typeface, and paragraph styles, which will save the paragraph. So all the things in this area, this paragraph, it'll save all of these options. So indentations, spacing between paragraphs, and with the character, it'll save everything that's in this area, which will be if it's italicized, if it's underlined, all of that stuff. So let's say we want to take this body copy and we want to apply it to the next one. So let's go ahead and save this as a paragraph style. So we're going to save the paragraph. We're going to save the spacing between everything so we don't have to manually put the spacing in each article we do. We can have consistency across our entire document. So let's go ahead and add a paragraph style. Click right here to add, and it's going to allow us to name it Body Copy Class. So anytime I want to edit a particular style, I can go down to the drop down menu and go over to edit, and this will be everything about the paragraph that we can set, so we don't have to set it over and over and over. It's a style that's already going to be saved for us. So you can change the typeface, the font type, whether it's underlined. We have advanced character formats, and some of this is a little bit more intermediate and advanced. We can add indentations, justify. We can always have a center justify or a left justify. We can have indentations. There's specific paragraph rules, which starts to get a little bit more complicated into editing or editorial editing. We can be able to establish our hyphenation, whether we hyphenate after 5 letters or whether we hyphenate after 6 or 7 letters. These are the details that makes InDesign so powerful for editorial work and multiple page documents, because you don't have quite the same control over a lot of these things, especially with justification and hyphenation and all these other options that you just don't have those options in Illustrator or Photoshop like you do in InDesign. And people wonder, why do you use InDesign? Because these things, when you're doing a 100-page book, being able to set these paragraph styles and have this amount of detail over little things about how the type is treated from a grammatical standpoint, but also from an editorial standpoint, you can really start to see the power of it. Those are a little bit more advanced options, so that'll be for another day or another class. So let's say we highlight all of that, and let's do it our body class copy. So we have basic paragraph, which is going to go back to how the default type is. That's what you kind of have. But we can highlight all of our type here. We can go down to paragraph styles. We now have the one saved. We can edit any of the details at any time. Body class copy, and it's going to automatically make it white. It's going to automatically do a left and right justification. So it doesn't have the ragged center. It's going to automatically add spacing between paragraphs. We don't have to keep doing that over and over and over again. So let's say I'm already down here, we can highlight and we can just go ahead and make it a body class copy. And then there's also character style. So let's say we have a certain treatment to this subheading. Let's go ahead and save this as a character style. So we're going to go to character styles, same way we did with paragraph style. We're going to add a new character style, and we're going to make this subheading. And it's going to save that it's italicized, it's Dido, everything in this character panel it's saving. So now let's say I go over here and I want to type in, this will be a new subheading. This is your default typeface. I can go ahead and select my type that I want to change, my characters, and I want to go down to the drop down menu and go down to subheading, apply it, and it will automatically save everything how it looks from up here. So you can see how when you have multiple spreads and documents, you can quickly recall paragraph and character styles to be able to make that job a lot quicker for you.